Guys, just take a look at this channel. It was created only a few days ago, and it has uploaded just 13 videos, yet it has already gained 49,000 subscribers. And the interesting part is that this channel simply posts animal POV videos. Take a look at this video. It was uploaded just 5 days ago, and it has already gained 38 million views. And honestly, 38 million views are more than enough to get any YouTube channel monetized. Now guys, take a look at this video. I actually created this video myself using AI completely for free. So if you want to create videos like this, the very first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT. Once you open ChatGPT, you'll need something called a master prompt. Now, normally, creating a master prompt can take a lot of time, but you don't need to worry about that at all because I've already prepared the complete master prompt for you. All you need to do is simply open the link in the description, and you'll find the master prompt there. For now, I've placed it inside a docs file so you can easily access it and copy it. If you look at it, you'll notice that the prompt is actually quite large, and the reason is simple. It includes everything we need to create the entire video automatically. So what you need to do is very simple. Just copy the entire prompt. After copying it, come back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt here, and press Enter. The moment you press Enter, ChatGPT will start processing the prompt, and it will generate a list of 15 animals that are perfect for creating this type of video. Now, from this list, you can choose any animal you like. If the animal you want isn't in the list, you can also manually type the name of the animal, and ChatGPT will still generate the full structure for that video. But for this tutorial, I'll keep things simple. I'm going to create a video about an ant. So I'll simply copy ant, paste it here, and press Enter. And as soon as I press Enter, you can see that ChatGPT has generated the entire video structure for us. It gives us multiple prompts, including image prompts and video prompts that we'll use later. So at this point, you can see that more than half of our work is already done automatically. Now we just need to use these prompts to generate the visuals. So copy the prompt for image 1. So now the next step is to open a new browser tab. After opening a new tab, simply search for Whisk. You'll see the website appear in the first result. Just click on it. Once the website opens, you'll see an interface like this. Here, you simply need to click on Enter tool. As soon as you click it, another interface will appear, and this is where we'll generate our images. This tool is actually very powerful, and it can generate extremely realistic images. Before generating the image, the first thing you need to do is go to the aspect ratio section. Here you can choose the format of the video. If you're creating a long YouTube video, you can select landscape, but since we're creating shorts or reels, we'll select portrait. So I'll simply choose portrait here. After selecting the aspect ratio, paste the prompt here and press Enter. Within about 1 or 2 minutes, the tool will generate high-quality images, and as you can see, these images look extremely realistic. The lighting, the detail, and the environment make them look almost like real photographs. Now, if you don't like the generated images, you can simply regenerate them again. And the best part is that this tool is completely free. You can regenerate images as many times as you want until you get the result you like. In my case, I really like the first image, so I'll simply download it. Once the image is downloaded, we'll move on to the next step. Now open another tab. Here we're going to search for Grok. Once Grok opens, go to the Images section. After clicking it, you'll notice 2 options below, Image and Video. Make sure that video is selected because we want to generate video clips. This dashboard is where we're going to generate all the scenes for our video. Again, make sure the aspect ratio is set to portrait. Now we need to add the reference image. So upload the image that we downloaded earlier. After adding the reference image, go back to ChatGPT again. Here, copy the prompt too. This prompt is used to generate the first video clip, so simply copy the entire prompt, then return to Grok, paste the prompt here, and press enter. Within about 30 seconds, your first video clip will be generated. And if you look at the result, the quality is actually really impressive. Now here's the important part of the process. What you need to do is move the timeline to the very last frame of the clip. Once you reach the last frame, simply save that frame to your device. This frame will help us create the next scene smoothly. After saving the frame, go back and add that saved frame as a new reference image. Now go back to ChatGPT again and copy prompt 3. Then return to Grok, paste the prompt, and press enter. Your next clip will start generating. Now you just need to repeat the same process again and again. Save the last frame, add it as reference, paste the next prompt, generate the next clip. Keep repeating this process until all your scenes are generated. And just like that, I've generated all the scenes one by one. Now comes the final and easiest step, editing. For editing, you can use any software you prefer. For example, CapCut, Premiere Pro, After Effects, or DaVinci Resolve. In my case, I usually use Premiere Pro, so I'll open that. First, I'll create a new project. Once the project is created, you'll see an interface like this. Now, simply import all the clips that we generated. After importing them, place them on the timeline in the correct order. If you feel that any clip needs trimming or cutting, you can do that. But honestly, in most cases, the clips already look quite smooth, so you might not need many cuts. Once everything is arranged, the next step is to add a background music track. This step is optional, but adding music usually makes the video feel more engaging and cinematic. After adding the music, play the video once and do a final review. Check if everything looks good, the timing, transitions, and overall flow.
Once everything is perfect, simply export the video in high quality. And that's it. Just like that, your AI-generated video is ready. Now let's watch the final result.